Alphabet Song IPA. Hi, how are you? Have you listened to the song about animals and objects in the letter B song yet? You can listen to this song again to warm up before starting this IPA pronunciation lesson. Please drink some warm water and relax while practicing with Woala English. Practice together right now.
B, B, B,
Bear, bear. B is for bear, big and bright. Bear is a large, furry mammal known for being strong with a great sense of smell. B, B. B is for bee, buzzing in the light. Bee is a yellow and black flying insect that makes honey and can sting you. Bird, bird. B is for bird that sings all day. Bird is a creature with feathers and wings, usually able to fly. Ball, ball. Bounce like a ball, roll down the hall. A ball is any object in the shape of a sphere, especially one used as a toy by children or in various sports such as tennis and football. Bunny, bunny. Brave like a bunny, tiny but tall. Bunny means baby rabbit, a more endearing, cute, and affectionate term than rabbit. It's often used for small rabbits, pet rabbits, or in cultural imagery such as the Easter Bunny. Boat, boat. B is for boat, on the blue sea. Boat refers to a vehicle that travels on water, usually smaller than a ship. Butterfly, butterfly. B is for butterfly, flying free. Butterfly is a type of insect with large, often brightly colored wings. Banana, banana. B is for banana, yellow and sweet. Banana is a long, curved fruit with a yellow skin and soft, sweet, white flesh inside. Bubbles, bubbles. B is for bubble, that pop at your feet. Bubble is a ball of gas that appears in a liquid or a ball formed of air surrounded by liquid that floats in the air. Sunbeam, sunbeam. Bright like the sunbeam, shining on us all. Sunbeam is a beam of sunlight shines through a cloud or gap, creating parallel streaks of light.
Congratulations!
You've just completed the pronunciation practice for animal and object names that begin with the letter B. Now, take a deep breath and drink some warm water. Please rewatch this video daily to practice. We believe you can improve your English quickly by practicing with Woala English. Please subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications to watch the latest English songs and short stories and practice English every day. Thank you.